Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see exercise 5.3, fourth question. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 and it goes on must be taken to give a sum of 636. So they are asking the n value. So up to how much it has to go so as to get the sum of 636 is what the fourth question is all about in this exercise 5.3. Now write the given. The value of A is 9. The common difference D is nothing but 8. The sum is 636. So substitute in the formula. We need to find the value of n. So 636, that is the sum, equal to n by 2 into 2 cross A is nothing but 18 plus n minus 1, right? So n minus 1 into 8. So this 636 is being multiplied with this 2 cross 2 equals n into 18 plus 8n minus 8. So 636 cross 2 is equal to n into 18 minus 8 is 10. So 10 plus 8n. So when you solve this, 12 equals 10n plus 8n square. Again, when you solve this by the taking this like 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 is equal to 0. So by splitting the middle term, when you solve this, we get the value of n to be 12, right? So they are asking how many terms of the AP must be taken to give a sum of 636. So it takes up to 12 terms to get the sum 636 in this sequence, 9, 17, 25 and goes on. So up to 12 terms in order to get the sum of 636. Now the fifth question, the first term of an AP. So the A value is given, that is 5. The last term is 45. L is 45 and the sum is 400. S is 400. Okay, it is 400 and it is 45. Yes. So find the number of terms and the common difference. Find the value of n and the common difference d. Okay, now with the formula of sum, that is S of n is nothing but n by 2 into A plus L. With respect to the given values, we can consolidate the formula. So we know the value of S, we know the value of A and L. We need to find the value of n with this formula. So 400 is equal to n by 2 into 5 plus 45. So that is equal to 50 n 800. This 2 goes there. So n equal to 800 divided by 50. So the value of n equal to 800 divided by 50. So that is 16. Right? The value of n is 16. Then they are asking us to find the common difference d. Now A16 is known because the total terms is 16, then the last term is 45. So A16 is 45, it's understood by the question. So that is equal to A plus 15D. As we saw in the previous videos, n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A16 is equal to A plus 15D. So that is 45. The first term, that is the value of A is 5. 45 equals 5 plus 15D. Similarly, this 5 goes there. So 40 equals 15D. D equals 40 by 15. Therefore, the value of D is nothing but 8 by 3. You can leave this as it is, 8 by 3. Don't need to convert this 8 by 3 into point values. This is much enough. They have asked us to find the value of D, that is 8 by 3. Then the value of n, that is 16, right? So this is the fifth question that is asked in exercise 5.3. Now we will move to the sixth question. Now we will see the sixth question of your exercise 5.3 given in your textbook. The first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350. Okay, fine. So A is 17. The last term L is 350 respectively. Okay, fine. If the common difference is 9, so the value of D is 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? Okay, fine. They are asking us to find the value of N and Sn is what the question is all about. Okay, so Al and An both are same. So An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. With this we can find the value of N. An, that is 350, equals 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. Yes, then with this we can find the value of n, right? So this 17 goes there, it becomes 333 equals 9n minus 9. This 9 again goes there, it becomes 342, that is equal to 9n. N equals 342 divided by 9, right? So that gives you 30, 27, 62, 90. Okay, fine, right? So we got the value of n, that is 38, right? So the first part is clear. Then they are asking us to find what is their sum, Sn. Okay, we have a formula for Sn, that is nothing but Sn equals n by 2 into A plus An. There is a formula like this, Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus An. We know the value of n to be 38. 38 by 2 into the value of A is 17 and An is 350. So 38, so 1 9 into 350 plus 17, you get 377. 367. It's not 77, 367. Yes. So when you multiply 367 and 19, you get 6973. Yes, right? So this is the sum value that is being asked in the sixth question. They are asking us to find what is their sum. Their sum is 6973 and they have asked us what is, like, how many terms are there, what is the value of n, that is 38. So this is the sixth question that is given in exercise 5.3. So till these videos we have covered the last topics that is present in arithmetic progression, right from the starting one, what is AP, to till this exercise 5.3 sixth subdivision, I mean sixth sum. So The following doubts of any topic that is present in your arithmetic progression can be asked in the comment section of any video irrespective of the video. So I will just take the your doubts and I will post it in a new video. In the next video we will see the upcoming questions that is present in exercise 5.3, and kindly text in the comment section for the next upcoming chapter that is to be taken in CBSE class 10, right? Thank you.